Good evening, students. Now we are going to see about the next lesson, molecular genetics. Already we know that genetics study about the genes are known as genetics. Then what are the molecules are present inside the DNA, that is the gene, that we are going to discuss about in this lesson. Okay, molecular genetics. So Mendel's only first given the information about the genes. Okay, so that heredity, character, everything, that explanation is given by the scientist John Gregor Mendel. But the Mendel's theory, it is dispelled the mystery of why tracks seemed to appear and disappear magically from one generation to the next. Mendel has said the character, it is inherited from generation after generation, but some of the changes will appear. Okay, so if you F1 generation, few character, that is a dominant character express, but recessive character disappear. Okay, but F2 generation, both the dominant and the recessive character, it is appear. But what is the reason? That clearly not explained by the Mendel's theory. So Mendel's work reveals the patterns of heredity and reflect the transformation of evolved information from parents to offsprings. What explanation is given by the Mendel? Mendel said heredity character, that accents, it is transfer from that information, it is transfer from parents to the offsprings. This information is located on the chromosome. Okay, that explanation alone is given by the Mendel, but Mendel can't be able to give the explanation about why the few character it is appear, then few character it is disappear from generation after generation. Okay, then one of the most advanced realization of human knowledge was that our unique characteristics are evolved within the molecules of DNA. After techniques are improved, then in advanced techniques they have realized human has understood our character, unique means special, our character. Some of the specific characters are encoded within the molecule of DNA. That character, it is coded inside the DNA. DNA it is contains the number of molecule. So that molecules only the unique characteristics are coded. Like that they have said in their knowledge. Then the discovery that DNA is a genetic material left several questions unanswered. Then they have said that they have discovered DNA is a genetic material, but number of questions are raised. Why DNA is a genetic material, but can't give the answer. Okay, they can't able to give the answer why DNA is a genetic material. So how is the information in DNA used? How this information DNA it is using? That questions and all arised but no answer. But the scientists now know that DNA direct the constructions of proteins. What they know, DNA it directs the constructions of proteins. So number of protein it is construct in our body. Okay, number of biochemical reactions it is occur in our body. For that biochemical reactions in our body essential proteins. That protein it is construction of protein it is direct by the DNA. So protein determine the shapes of cells and the rate of chemical reactions. So protein only determine the shapes of cells. We are multicellular organisms. Millions of cells are present, but the cell shape it is determined by the proteins. That construction of protein directed by the DNA. Okay, then number of chemical reactions also occur in our body with the direction of a protein. So such as those that occur during metabolism and photosynthesis. So this cell safe and number of chemical reactions occur with the help of the protein. So this it is occur in our body in the form of metabolism and photosynthesis. The hereditary nature of every living organism is defined by its genome. So hereditary nature, each and every living organism, they can have in a number of characteristics nature, that it is determined by the genes. The genes are located in a sequence inside the chromosome, that is known as the genome. Okay, which consists of a long sequence of nucleic acid that provides the information needed to construct the organism. that genome, so which consists of a long sequence of nucleic acid. How it is present? The genome, it is present in a long sequence of nucleic acid. Already we know that protein, it is made up of nucleic acid. Okay, the genome, that long sequence, it is consists of a nucleic acid. So that nucleic acid only it is provide the information. What are the information we need? That organism they need, everything it is given by the proteins. Okay, so the genome contains the complete set of hereditary information for any organism. For any means each and every living organism. Okay, the genome, it is contains a complete set of hereditary information. That genome, it is made up of a long sequence of nucleic acid. That nucleic acid only giving the information. Okay, that hereditary information. So the genome may be divided into a number of different nucleic acid molecules. Okay, so the genome can be divided into a number of different nucleic acid molecules. Each of the nucleic acid molecule may contain large number of genes. So each and every nucleic acid, it is contains a large number of genes. Each gene is a sequence within the nucleic acid that represent a single protein. Okay, each and every genes already I have explained. So we have a 46 chromosome, 44 autosomes and 2 sex chromosomes. Then each and every chromosome contains a number of genes are present in a chromosome. So the chromosome are arranged in an order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that it is present. So each and every chromosomes it is contains in a number of genes. That genes are made up of a nucleic acid. In a large number of nucleic acid. That nucleic acid have a for what? Hereditary information. Okay, so each gene is a sequence within the nucleic acid that represent a single protein. So they can produce in a single protein. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to discuss about the structure of DNA. Okay, then replication, the process of making RNA from DNA, genetic code that determine the sequence of amino acid in protein synthesis, then regulation of gene expression and the essential of human genome sequencing. This fully we are going to discuss about first the structure of DNA, then the DNA how it is replicate we know that multiplication, how they can multiply. Already we have studied each and every cell they can have in a property cell division. So the DNA it is present inside the cell nucleus. Okay, the division of nucleus is known as a karyokinesis. The division of cytoplasm is known as cytokinesis. So each and every cell they can have a capability to divide. Okay, so that process is known as the replication. They can produce number of multiple copies, same copies. Then the process of making RNA from DNA. Okay, then in our DNA they can have an ability to form in a number of RNAs. From that the RNA it is converted into the DNA. That process is known as transcription. We will discuss later. Then the genetic code, how the genes are encoded inside the chromosome, how they can carry the information, hereditary information. Okay, so the genetic code that determines the sequence of amino acid in protein synthesis. Okay, then synthesis of protein it is known as translation. So protein it is made up of a number of amino acids. That also we know that. Then regulation of gene expression. So gene only it is responsible to express the character. How that expression it is regulated by the genes. Okay, which material it is present in the gene it is regulated the expression. And the essentials of human genome sequencing. Why we need a genome sequencing? What is the uses? Important. Everything we are going to discuss about in this lesson. Okay, can you understood the introduction of molecular genetics? So genetics nalli study about the genes. So what are the molecules are present inside the genes, how it is carrying the hereditary information, how few of the character they can appear in one generation and then disappear in next generation. Everything we are going to discuss in this lesson. Okay, can you understood the introduction? Okay,